Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video we will learn how to download and install Microsoft's new Edge browser, which is now available for download. This new browser is based on Chromium, which forms the basis of Google Chrome, and Windows 10 users will also get the new Edge browser automatically delivered via Windows Update in next few months. So in order to download and install the latest Microsoft Edge, we need to open up a browser. So you can either open Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, whatever you are comfortable with, and then go to www.microsoft.com/edge and press enter. It will take you to the download page. Now if you are installing Microsoft Edge for any other operating system, like for lower version Windows 8.1, 8, 7, or for any other operating system, you can select the appropriate operating system from here and click on the one you are installing it for. I'm installing it for Windows 10, so I'll click on download for Windows 10. And then simply click on accept and download at the bottom right corner, and you will get a pop-up at the very bottom of the page where it will ask you what do you want to do with Microsoft Edge setup.exe. So you can simply run it, click on run again, click on yes if you get a user account control window where it says do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, and let's wait till it get installed. Now click on close and continue. So it will close all your opened browser window, and it will continue installing. When the installation will be completed, it will open up your new Microsoft Edge browser, and that's how it will look like. Now you'll get some options where you can follow the on-screen instructions. Click on get started and it will give you all the options. It will ask you whether you want to import some data from your previous browser. So if you want to import some data from Google Chrome, you can click on that option, or continue without importing. So I'm not going to import anything, so I will click on continue without importing and click next. You can click on any of the option. I'll leave it on inspirational and click on next, and now click on done. So you'll get a welcome message. Welcome to the new Microsoft Edge. You can continue using it, or you can close it, and let's reopen it, and you'll have a new icon for Microsoft Edge. So that's how you can upgrade your Microsoft Edge to the latest and newer version. And that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done that yet. Thank you for watching. You have a great day. Bye-bye.